All right, so we're gonna open up the box, give you a peek at what's inside here. Okay, open this bad boy up. So this is the camera. Pull this out. You can see the two lights on here, as well as we've got a little instruction manual in here, the installation kit, which has a little screwdriver in it, and this is what we need now. So this is the mounting plate, and that mounting plate is going to allow us to place this right on top of it. So we're going to install this. All right, so here's the back side of the light, and what I like to do is take this ground wire right here and wrap it around the ground screw so that it holds up the light while I'm wiring it. Okay, so we have got our light wired up. We've got the ground wire up your neutral, so white to white, and we've got our hot wire. So we've got orange to black, sometimes it's black to black, but whatever your hot wire is, you're gonna wire those together. Black is hot on the light, white is neutral, obviously. And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mount the light fixture right on these two posts. And for that, this has a couple of holes you can see right there. It's gonna slide right over. But before you do that, what you need to do is take the screws that are in the bag, and in that screw bag, there's two little black connectors that you're gonna screw over the top of these to hold the light on. So you wanna have those out before you put the light on here so that you can tighten it up right away and the light fixture won't fall forward. Okay, so we've got the light up. You can see these two screws that hold the light on here. You can also adjust the angle of these spotlights with this. So you can loosen it, tighten it, up, down. These are really bright, so I usually put them more out than down. And you can also change the rotation of these. So right here, if you loosen this connector, you're gonna need a pair of pliers or channel locks or something to open this up a little bit, and then you can rotate this light a little bit more to left or right. And then the camera, obviously, you can point it left, right, down, up. And we're going to use this to program it. This is the programming button right here. So you can also make a little bit of an adjustment back here for the camera, tighten this down. Also tighten this screw right here. And that's going to lock this thing in place where you want it. Okay, we turn the power back on, and you can see the lights go on when you set this up in programming mode. And the actual down here,
follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
all right, and it's telling us to go to the Ring app, but you can see this blue light. That means it's ready to be programmed. So we're going to program that in the app, and you just got to go to your app and follow the instructions. Follow the instructions, and then you're going to see a view like this once you've got your Ring Floodlight connected. The spotlights, the other cameras that they've got all have a similar interface. This is really one of my favorite cameras. If you have an existing light fixture outside, this is a great way to replace the light fixture or floodlight, where you're still going to get light, but you're also going to have a camera functionality. And I think that's really nice for people who don't want to have any new wiring run, or they don't want to make any holes in the wall. The Ring Floodlight is a perfect solution for that. So visit us at onehoursmarthome.com if you want to learn more about smart home technology, product reviews, or buy our products. onehoursmarthome.com. We also sell our products on Amazon. Thank you very much.